Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Tucker, Atlanta Northeast. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located off Interstate 285, this pet-friendly hotel features laundry facilities. Central Atlanta is 25 minutes drive from the hotel. Cable TV and a telephone are provided in the simply decorated rooms at the Motel 6 Atlanta Trucker Northeast. Rooms are equipped with air conditioning and a private bathroom. A 24-hour reception is available to the guests of the Atlanta Trucker Northeast Motel 6. Guests also have access to fax and photocopying services. Hartsfield Atlanta International Airport is 25 miles from the hotel. Stone Mountain Park is less than 20 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.